Yo, y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy. What's up with y'all, man? I hope everybody doing good today, man. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man, and make sure y'all turn on all post notification bells, man, so you'll always be notified when we dropping these things. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Hey, boy, we out here today, bo. Hey, I know I ain't get back with y'all, bo, since the other day, bo. But hey, man, we about to go try to get this starter tested. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Well, let's ride. Let's get it.
Sparrow on the damn move again. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily tell my car sparrow on the damn move again. Yeah, I call my sparrow cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Since sun dark, you can't see the seats. That's why I'm cutlass. I call a sparrow, that's for sure.
Hey, y'all already know. Hey, 84 gotta pull up VIP. Yes, sir. Hey, let's get it. And yes, sir. Let's get it tested.
Do you want to try hooking it up and stuff?
Uh-oh, I can do that.
Yeah,
How
you can
do
do that.
How you do it?
So right here
Okay.
are all three of the plugs that you need to be able to do it.
Okay.
It shows you where to put the big one,
Okay.
the little one, and then you ground
Just ground it on the starter.
on the starter. So
Okay.
you want to try it?
Yeah. All right, y'all. Oh, y'all remember what happened on the last time? Put the little one right there. Put the big one. Oh. Put the big one on the this part. No, this part. Right?
Top middle.
Top middle.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm messing up, y'all. Oh, y'all seeing it live. All right.
Okay. And then you gotta
Ground the starter.
ground the starter.
Okay. Y'all see me messing up. Y'all see it.
And then I just kind of make sure that I'm holding it securely because sometimes the strap ain't tight. And I hit
Right.
begin.
Okay. Let's get it.
Saying it's so no, and the reason why it isn't is because it's already extended, so that it didn't extend and then retract in there. It's actually stuck in the forward
in the
position.
Wow.
So your starter's no good.
Hey, I gotta find Unc, y'all. I gotta find Unc to find me a starter, y'all. Hey, let's get it. Alright, y'all see we got a dead starter. Hey, y'all see she put us on game, right? She gave us a whole, hey boy, I was scared. Y'all remember what happened on the last time? Hey, but let's get to the house, man. See what we gonna do next. Let's get it. YouTube. Boy, it's always something, bro. Always something. Man. But, man, hey, we ain't gonna let that stop us. At least we kind of know our problem to our drag. Well, hopefully that's our problem. You know what I mean? Once we find another carburetor. See, I'm about to sound like Unc. Because I'm thinking about calling Unc. And I bet you that's what he gonna say. Well, you need another carburetor. I bet that's what he gonna say. What carburetor, bro? That joker be tripping with that carburetor joke. Joker old school, man. Old school. But yeah, man, y'all see we got a starter problem. Our starter is dead. Joker don't work. So, y'all know we gonna have to hit our favorite store. Junkyard, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all know it. Yep. So, I'm about to hit on. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on, alright? Let's get it. Man, oh, what up, boy? You busy? Nah, nephew. Tell me you no good. Man, boy, I go and get that starter check, man. And people say, man, ain't no good. Ain't no good, bro. Yes, sir, ain't no good, man. What we gonna do? Hey, Hey, I've been telling you need a dang on new carburetor. Hey, well, what we can do is we'll go down to that junkyard tomorrow, or one day we'll go down to that junkyard. We'll see what we can find out there. Okay, let's do that. See, yeah, now you're talking. Junkyard, bo, junkyard dog. Hey man, probably between tomorrow and this weekend, man, let's hit the junkyard, man, and find me a starter. Hey, nephew, you don't listen. Ain't that what they say, boy? Alright. You gonna go out there and listen sometime. Hey, boy, Unc go always be to the rescue, boy. Hey, Unc make sure, for real, boy. Hey, man, I appreciate everybody tapping in, man. Y'all see if you got that starter tested. Unc said he gonna help me go to the junkyard and grab another one. Shoot, boy, we might be straight. We can move on after that, hopefully. Hey, fingers crossed. Hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and turn on all post notification bells, man, so y'all never miss a drop, man. Like I said, man, I appreciate each and every one of you rocking with your boy. Yes, sir. That's your boy, 84 Cuddy, a.k.a. Built on the Budget Junior. Yes, sir. That's right, man. Y'all see it, man. We chilling in Sparrow, man. Hey. There's sometimes you gotta come in here and gather see, I can't even talk. Sometimes you gotta come in here and gather your thoughts. You know what I mean? And how much of y'all go outside and sit in y'all projects, man, and gather y'all thoughts about what y'all want to do with it next, man. Hey, drop it down in the comments, man. Hey, till next time, man. Hey, y'all stay up, man. Appreciate y'all. We out.
Call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily tell my car sparrow on the damn move again. Yeah, I call my sparrow cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tim sun dark, you can't see the seats. They'll swap cutlass. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on the damn move again.